Yo, what's up guys, it's Steve here. What we're going to do is create a 3D logo with a PNG and After Effects with Element 3D. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new comp. On top of that, we're going to add a solid, and we'll name this 3D. Toss in Element 3D there, and on top of that, we will create a new comp and name this texture. Now in this texture comp, what we're going to do is bring in your PNG. For this, I'm just using this goat right here. Then we're going to go back to the comp 1, which has Element 3D in it, and we're going to bring in the texture comp. Now what we're going to do with this texture comp is go to Layer and auto trace it. Now you're going to go to your Element 3D, go to Effects and Controls, go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Mask right here, and we're going to make this one the auto traced. And below this, we're going to go to for the custom texture maps, we're going to click on the texture comp. Then what you're going to do is jump into Scene Setup. Hit Extrude, and as you can see right here, you have Extruded. And over here, go to Extrusion Model, click on Bevel 1. You make it a little bit thicker if you want, and scroll down here to Textures and Diffuse. Click here and add the texture layer. Now this isn't going to fit right away, so what you're going to do is move up here a little bit. Underneath the bevel option, go to Use Layers as UV, and it'll pop it right in place. Then click OK. Turn these layers off here. And it's going to be kind of dark, so what you're going to do is go to New, Light, and just toss in the parallel. And from there, you can just come down to the effects in Element 3D. Where the hell is it at? Oh, roll transformation, roll rotation, and from here you can just set quick rotation up. And there you have it. Hope this helps. It's quick and simple, and it's another effect to add to your artwork to give it more life. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.